Today, we will learn an important Japanese grammar. The grammar is ようになる. This grammar means to become able to do something or something changes over time. You use this when your ability changes or when a situation changes naturally. It often shows progress. Now, let's look at some examples. 日本語が話せるようになりました。I became able to speak Japanese. This means your ability improved. Next example. 毎日運動するようになりました。I started to exercise every day. This shows a change in habit. One more example. 早く起きられるようになりました。I became able to wake up early. Again, this shows improvement over time. Now, be careful with this difference. If you say, 毎日運動します, it means you do it now. But if you say, 毎日運動するようになりました, it means you did not do it before, but now you do. This change is very important. In real life, this grammar is used when you talk about your growth. For example, 日本に来てから漢字が読めるようになりました。You are showing your progress after coming to Japan. Let's review. ようになる means a change in ability or habit. It shows progress over time. Try to use this when you talk about your improvement.